Welcome to Kamal Classic. Now next points of trigonometry is, see here, the opposite of sine is cosec, C-O-S-E-C, and the opposite of cosec is sine. Clear? And the opposite of cos is sec, and the opposite of sec is cos. Like this. Next, the opposite of tan is cot, and the opposite of cot is tan. Clear? Sine's opposite cosec, cosec's opposite sine, cos opposite sec, and sec's opposite cos, and tan's opposite cot, and cot's opposite tan. Clear? Now next point. Before the next point, at first let me draw a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Let this angle is A, B, C, and here angle B is right angle. Okay. Let angle C is theta. Let. Clear? Now sine theta, angle C we have taken theta, so sine theta, in place of theta can be any angle, 30, 40, 50, any angle, but now we have let here theta. The concept of sine theta in right angle triangle of trigonometry is the opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of theta? AB by hypotenuse is AC. AB means this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse, and this is base. So AB is P, means perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse, means short, we can write H. It means sine theta equals to P by H, we can say. Clear? The concept of sine theta. Now opposite of sine theta is cosec theta. Just now you have learned. So what is the concept of cosec theta? Hypotenuse by opposite side of theta, means AB. AC means hypotenuse and AB means perpendicular. See here. Sine theta equals to P by H. The opposite of sine theta is cosec theta. Now see here, H by P. Sine theta P by H and cosec theta H by P. Clear? Now next step. Cos theta. The concept of cos theta is adjacent side of theta, yani BC by hypotenuse, means AC. So BC we can write B, base, AC means hypotenuse by H. So cos theta equals to B by S. Opposite of cos theta is sec theta. The opposite simply AC by BC means H by B. After that tan theta. The concept of tan theta is opposite side of theta means AB by adjacent side of theta means BC. Opposite side of theta AB and adjacent side of theta is BC. AB means perpendicular P and BC means base B. That means tan theta equals to P by B. Opposite of tan theta is cot theta. Cot theta opposite means BC by AB. BC means base and AB means perpendicular P. Clear? That means sine theta equals to P by H. Opposite of sine theta cosec theta means H by P. Cos theta B by H. Opposite of cos theta is sec theta. Sec theta equals to H by B. And tan theta P by B. Opposite of tan theta cot theta B by P. Clear? Now next point. Our next point. Sine theta by cos theta equal tan theta. How? See here, everyone, in the rough. Sine theta we can write P by H. Okay. By cos theta we can write B by H. Just now we have learned. Okay. Now in the division form, now here P by H division, if we change into multiply, it will be reciprocal, that means H by B into H by B. Clear concept? HH cut, so what is the rest? P by B. P by B we can write tan theta. Tan theta equals to P by B. In place of P by B we can write tan theta. That means we can say sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta, or tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Next, second number of this point, cos theta by sin theta equal tan theta, sorry, cot theta. How? Like this same it is. Cos theta we can write B by H, and sin theta we can write P by S. Now division form change to multiply, then it would be reciprocal, this one P by H. So B by H into H by P. H cancel. So what is it? Is B by P. The concept of B by P is cot theta. And we can say cos theta by sin theta equals to cot theta, or cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Clear? These are the important formula. Okay, so everyone write down on your copy. This is, and this is answer. Thank you.